India is increasingly demanding cleaner, fresher air as the outdoor air quality goes down. As Indians become more aware that it is necessary for healthier and more efficient employees, there is a growing need to introduce filtered fresh air in working spaces. To cope with this situation, Daikin India designed a product to supply clean, fresh air indoors. Using 2 sets of filters, one for large particles and one for finer particles, the product filtration efficiency and reliability is enhanced. Daikin contributes to the improvement of employee health and efficiency through providing fresher, cleaner, and better indoor air quality.